Today we're changing the batteries in a Craftsman K1026 garage door remote. For this battery replacement, you will need two CR2016 coin batteries. You will not need any special tools because we can use the visor clip to open the remote. First, remove the visor clip from the back of the remote. Now, turn the remote over. On the back, you should see the marking that says, "To replace batteries, open this end." Take the visor clip and insert it into the slot on that end of the remote. Gently twist the clip until the housing starts to separate. Do not force it too hard. Just work it slowly until the remote opens up. Once the remote is open, you will see the batteries sitting in the back housing. Put that piece aside for a moment. Before replacing the batteries, I'll quickly show you how to remove the circuit board from the front housing. Gently squeeze the small clip holding the board in place, and the circuit board should pop out. Now you have access to the front side of the remote and can make sure everything is sitting clean and properly aligned. Next, we can replace the batteries. To remove the old batteries, simply slide them out of the battery holder. Now take two new CR2016 batteries and stack them together like a sandwich. Insert them into the battery holder with the negative side facing up. Make sure the batteries are centered properly. This is important because if they are not sitting flat, the remote housing may not close correctly. Now we can start reassembling the remote. Place the circuit board back into the front housing and press it down until you hear a click. Then take the back plate with the new batteries installed and line it up with the front housing. Squeeze both sides together until the remote snaps closed. Finally, put the visor clip back on. That's it! Your Craftsman K1026 remote battery replacement is complete. Thanks for watching, Garage Door Geeks.